Okay, so could you briefly introduce yourself and your company, please?
Yes, I'm Michele Grassi, I'm the CEO of 40South Energy. We develop wave energy converters in various sizes and power ratings.
And could you describe your technology and what makes it different from other wave energy converters?
Our machines are based on a different approach to wave energy. They are completely submerged, out of sight, out of reach, and in a location which reduces significantly the risk of collision with boats, and their capability of moving in the water column and getting away from the energy when it's too much gives them a very strong resistance to even extreme weather events.
And what stage of development is your technology at? Are you currently looking at implementing arrays?
Yes, we are fully commercial. We have already several clients. We are starting deployment of the first installations. Some are single units, some are in array.
And what sort of capacity arrays and how many units might they be?
So in some cases the array is made of 3 units of 150 kilowatts each. In another case there is an array of 2 units, each one rated at 2 megawatts, so it varies significantly.
And does that just vary depending on the project site, or are there other considerations?
It depends on the site and also on the client requirements.
Okay, and what were the main challenges in reaching that in that stage? Was it investment or testing or finding suitable sites?
All of the above.
Okay, anyone in particular? No?
No, I think they all have their share of difficulty in the process.
Okay. And in the development of your technology, was there any one area that stood out that required significantly more capital expenditure than others? You know, was it the installation or cabling?
Yes.
Or
Resistance to the water environment is one of the parts which actually caused most significant expense.
So is that on the maintenance side of things? Is that
on the materials?
The materials,
yes.
Okay, and how have you managed to reduce these costs?
Well, that's confidential.
Okay. And what about the operation and maintenance? How big a consideration is the annual O&M cost when compared with the initial investment, the initial setup?
So in marine energy, O&M is really what makes or breaks the project. So the design of the machines is focused on reducing as much as possible the impact on O&M. In our case, depending on the site, the O&M cost can vary between 2 and 4% of the initial capex annually, which is a reasonable level.
And what might the initial site original cost be? Are you able to give any indication of what a project cost might be?
Well, a single machine will cost, depending on the size. The very small machines have a cost which is 3 euros per nominal watt of power. The large machines have 2 euros per nominal watt per power. So a 2 megawatt machine will cost 4 million euros. And then you have to add on top of that between 10 and 20% of cost for the site development.
And lastly, what was your motivation for attending the event today?
Well, I think it's the premier event for energy globally, so that's why we're here.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
Thank you.